Oh, welcome back to another video, everybody. This one's a little bit different than what I normally put up here, but I hope you're going to enjoy it just the same. This is actually a remake I did of a recent 2021 Ford Raptor truck trailer. This was inspired by none less than Peter McKinnon. He's done several of these recently, like he did one with the Ford Raptor just a few weeks ago, and not too long ago he did one with James Bond commercials. So basically it's just for fun to remake it the way that an editor or a filmmaker might do it themselves, put their own spin on it, their own angle. Peter McKinnon did have access to one extra asset, a video clip that I don't have, so couldn't use that one. But this all the content here, all the footage you see of the Raptor is from the Ford website for the media kit for the 2021 Raptor. So that's where it comes from. You may see some of this footage used in other videos. You may see it on like on car review sites and that kind of thing, or on even on TV commercials or TV news or anything like that. So you'll find it around. But I just redid it the way I might do it with the assets I had available. So I only did it just for fun. But the reason I did decide to do it was because of some epic desert scenery in this footage. So I thought it would be fun to share. So without further ado, here we go. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, there's some amazing scenery in there. Quick note, I feel the need to say that I always respect the rules and good principles of conservation when you are off-roading. I'm assuming this was all properly permitted and everything since Ford had it done. So I'm assuming they followed all the rules and everything. But, that is kind of a beef I have with some of the off-road vehicle commercials, is they really tend to push it and maybe not look respectful of what they're doing. Even if it's properly permitted, it may encourage people to kind of break some rules. So do be conscientious of that, please, if you're off-roading or in the backcountry. But I hope you enjoyed this anyways, and we'll catch you in the next one.